getting tree. One day there was a getting tree. Then she was sad. Then she wanted a boy. And the boy just came here. Then she was happy. And he wanted leaves and call him king of the world. And climbing up and swinging from her branches and picking apples. And she was playing hide and seek. And he was so bored. One day, he was climbing up again. He gave her a big hug. And a heart of her, and she'll love everyone. That's what I said. Now what? Now what?
What did the tree ask her for? What did the boy ask the tree for?
I don't know. Ask. You ask me. Ask it.
Did he ask her for some money?
Ask for some money. I don't want to read this kind of page. I just want you to do it.
But I thought, and then the boy was happy.
I just don't know. I just want Jason to read it now.
No, you read it.
I don't know how. I just read all the pages.
You're good at reading it.
I don't want to. Okay. Let's read Clifford first, then we'll read the Giving Tree.
No, I want to hear the Giving Tree.
We are going to read the Giving Tree after we read this one. One day there was Clifford and Emily, and they were so happy. And one day, her friend came over. Then she added the dog. Then her dog, and wait, what